Prime Day 2025 is here. 4 days, new AI pick tool drops every midnight, and today we're counting down the top 30 unmissable deals to upgrade your workshop space. This isn't just another sale, it's your chance to grab the tools that unlock new levels of precision and creativity. Whether you're a pro or just starting out, we'll help you spot the game changers and avoid the gimmicks. Ready to build the workshop you've always wanted? Let's dive in. Number 30, the LaserPecker 4 Engraver is all about ultra-fine detail. 0.0027 mm resolution, even finer than a human hair. Imagine etching intricate designs onto metal jewelry, or personalizing leather goods with surgical accuracy and precision. If you want to bring your digital designs to life with perfect fidelity, this is your tool. At 29, the X-Tool F1 Laser Engraver stands out for its dual laser tech, diode for wood and leather, fiber for metals and plastics. It's a workshop chameleon, letting you switch materials without missing a beat. Fast enough for small batch runs, it streamlines your creative flow. What would you engrave first? Wood, metal, or both? Number 28, the AtomStack M4 Fiber Laser is built for speed and high-volume marking. Think serializing hundreds of parts with industrial reliability. Perfect for small manufacturing or pro workshops needing consistent rapid results. If you're scaling up, this is your productivity upgrade. The Ortur LaserMaster 3 at 27 brings powerful laser tech to your workspace with smart app control and robust safety features. It's ideal for home workshops or shared spaces. Would you automate your DIY? This tool blurs craft and production. Number 26, the J3 Pro Laser is the ideal entry point for beginners. Compact, powerful, and easy to use right out of the box. It's versatile enough for wood, acrylic, and leather projects, making it a great first step into laser engraving for anyone. Ready to personalize your projects and get creative? This tool truly invites you in. At 25, the Snapmaker Artisan 3-in-1 is a multi-tool dream. Laser engraver, CNC carver, and dual extrusion 3D printer in one. Modular design means quick tool swaps and endless project options. Perfect for makers with big ideas and limited space. How would you combine 3D printing, CNC, and laser in your next project? The LaserPecker 2 Pro, number 24, is all about portability. Take it anywhere you go and engrave anywhere, even on vertical surfaces with ease. Fast, compact, and smartphone connected, it's perfect for on-the-go creators and makers. Where would you take your creativity next? Craft fairs, job sites, or even beyond the usual places? At 23, the SculptFun S30 Pro Max brings serious cutting power. 10-watt laser, air assist for clean cuts. Move beyond engraving. Cut thick wood and acrylic for complex assemblies. What project needs this kind of muscle to finally come to life? Number 22, the Comgrow Z1 Laser is the budget-friendly entry for aspiring makers and families looking to get creative together. Sturdy, easy to assemble, and backed by a supportive community, it's a great way to learn laser engraving fundamentals and experiment with new ideas at home. Want to start your laser journey without breaking the bank? This is your pick for an affordable and fun introduction. The Two Trees TTS 55, at number 21, is perfect for hands-on builders who enjoy assembling and customizing their own tools from scratch. Its compressed spot laser delivers impressive detail and efficient cutting once you've finished building it. Would you build your own laser engraver for a truly custom experience? Number 20, the California Air Tools 8010A compressor is ultra-quiet and impressively efficient. It's oil-free, perfect for shared or home workshops, and you'll appreciate how little maintenance it needs. Lightweight and low maintenance, it keeps your workspace peaceful, clean, and clutter-free. Need a silent compressor for your projects? This is your answer. At number 19, the DeWalt 6-gallon pancake compressor is a portable workhorse, offering quick recovery, a stable base, and it's easy to carry wherever you need it. It powers a wide range of pneumatic tools with minimal downtime for maximum productivity. Is portability your top priority? This compressor absolutely delivers on that promise. Number 18, the Makita Mac 2400 Big Bore is built for heavy-duty continuous use. Fast recovery, low noise, and long life. It can run multiple tools at once and is made for serious pros. Need pro-grade air power? This is your upgrade. The Craftsman 3-gallon air compressor, at number 17, is compact, versatile, and perfect for home tasks. Whether you're inflating tires, working on trim, or tackling hobbies and DIY projects, oil-free and easy to store, it's a handy all-in-one solution for your workspace. Short on space? This compressor fits right in, making storage simple. At 16, the Bosch BTFP 02012 features high-flow regulators for consistent tool performance. Oil-free, easy to start, and reliable. Perfect for DIYers and contractors. Need steady power? Bosch delivers every time. Number 15, the WN 3421 Mini Lathe is the perfect introduction to wood turning. Compact, affordable, and user-friendly for beginners. Variable speed control lets you experiment safely and achieve a great finish on your projects. What would you craft first, pens, bowls, or maybe custom knobs? At 14, the Jet JWL 1221 VS is a premium benchtop lathe. Smooth variable speed, digital readout, and heavy-duty cast iron for stability. High torque at low speeds makes it perfect for large or detailed work. Want ultimate control? The Jet delivers. Number 13, the Shopfox W1704 is a reliable, affordable workhorse. Solid cast iron, simple controls, and built to last for years. It's ideal for schools, makerspaces, or hobbyists who value durability. Looking for a sensible starter lathe? This is it. At 12, the Grizzly G8688 Mini Metal Lathe brings precision metalworking, turn, face, and thread small parts right on your bench. Variable speed and change gears let you tackle custom projects in brass, aluminum, or steel. Ready to shape metal? This is your gateway. The Delta 46 460 at number 11 is a favorite among wood turners for its impressive large swing capacity and the convenient forward-reverse function. Perfect for sanding curves and edges to a flawless, professional finish every time. Quick speed changes and a heavy cast iron bed make it a true pro's choice. Dreaming big? The Delta lets you turn larger, more ambitious projects with confidence and ease. Number 10, the DeWalt DWE 7491 RS Table Saw is a job site icon. Rack and pinion fence for fast, accurate cuts, powerful motor, and a stable rolling stand. Portable, pro-grade, and built for perfect results. Need precision on the go? This saw is your answer. At number 9, the Bosch GTS 1031 is the ultimate grab-and-go table saw, with a compact all-steel base and convenient one-handed carry for easy transport. Onboard storage keeps all your accessories together, and the square lock fence ensures accurate, reliable cuts every time. For mobile pros, this portable saw is truly hard to beat. Number 8, the Makita 5007 MGA is a lightweight powerhouse. Magnesium build, 15-amp motor, and electric brake for safety. LED lights and large cutting capacity make it a pro's favorite for all-day use. Want less fatigue and more control? This is your saw of choice. At 7, the Skill 5280 01 offers unbeatable value, integrated laser guide, plenty of power, and a dust blower for clear, accurate cuts every time. It's lightweight and perfect for DIYers or first-time users. Need extra precision? That laser guide is a game changer. Number 6, the Festool. TS55 Rec Track Saw is a precision system, guide rail for straight, splinter-free cuts, and excellent dust collection. Plunge cut action lets you start cuts anywhere on your panel. Want pro results? This is the tool the experts use. At number 5, the Black Plus Decker BDEX 300 sander is a palm-sized essential. Simple, lightweight, and perfect for those finishing touches on your projects. It uses standard quarter sheets and is ideal for prepping surfaces or smoothing edges. For detail work, this sander is truly a must-have tool. Number 4, the DeWalt DWE 6423K brings powerful random orbit action for a swirl-free smooth finish plus variable speed control and easy disc changes. Its effective dust collection keeps your workspace clean and tidy. Need versatility? This sander easily handles almost any job you throw at it. At number 3, the Makita Beo 5041K stands out for comfort. An adjustable handle, a rubberized grip, and minimal vibration, making it ideal for long projects and extended use. Variable speed and a powerful motor make it a true pro's choice. Long sanding sessions, your hands will definitely thank you for it. Number 2, the Bosch ROS 20 VSC is all about dust control. Its advanced microfilter system traps even the finest particles, ensuring a cleaner, healthier workspace every time you sand. Compact, powerful, and soft grip for comfort, it's easy to handle and delivers great results. Want a cleaner shop? This sander is truly top tier for any woodworking project. Our number 1 pick, the WN6510T oscillating spindle sander, is a true secret weapon for sanding inside curves and complex shapes with ease and precision. Its oscillating action prevents burning, reduces marks, and leaves ultra-smooth, professional-looking edges every time. For curved woodworking projects, this tool is truly indispensable in any workshop. It's a must-have for anyone who works with curves. That's our top 30 Prime Day tool deals for 2025. From lasers to lathes, compressors to sanders, these tools can transform your workshop. Which one's on your list? Comment below and tell us your next project. If this guide helped, hit like, subscribe, and ring the bell for more tool reviews and deals. My favorites? The DeWalt table saw, Festool track saw, and Wen spindle sander. They're true game changers. Don't miss these limited time deals. Links are in the description. This is Tools and Decor USA, where your workshop comes alive.